Beats Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a special one. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do my makeup. It's like a get ready with me video. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So like I said, this video is actually a special one because it's been a long time I did like a makeup or a get ready with me video. And recently I got a request from one of you guys that I should just do a makeup tutorial, and I'm like, why not do a get ready with me video? So that's why I decided to make this video. Oh, but before I begin the video, I want to briefly share this items I got from LilySilk company. The reason why I decided to show you guys this thing is 3 years ago they gave me some products. They gave me their silk hair bonnet, and they gave me the pillowcase and hair band, like something we used to pack our hair, I think. So when they reached out to me again, I'm like, definitely I'm gonna try their products again, because I've been using this bonnet for 3 years. Because when they gave it to me, I'm like, it's silk, it's original quality silk. So when they gave it to me, I was like, oh, okay, let me just try it for one day. But before you know it, from one day I used it the following day, and I just love it, and I just decided to keep using it, and I've been using it for 3 years, guys. And you guys can see it's still in great shape. Like, there's no single hair strand, or it's not worn out at all. It does not look worn out at all. Like, it says LilySilk, you know. So let's just open it up quickly. You know, they sent me this headband. So this is the headband they sent me. It's a silk headband. So when you wear it, it's a silk headband, and it has this rubber right here, so it can fit through your head. And as you can see, guys, it looks absolutely beautiful. I have a braid on. If not, I would have shown it to you guys. It looks absolutely beautiful and great quality, and I know it's going to last a long time as well. So the next one is another head bonnet. This is just the head bonnet. This is a blue silk head bonnet. As you guys can see, I chose this color sky blue because it looks so beautiful. You can imagine when I have my natural hair, it's gonna fit perfectly because I have a braid on. So as you guys can see, the silk looks really beautiful. I love the color, and it feels so soft. And of course, I know that the quality is great because I have used this for 3 years and nothing has happened to it. So the next product is their pillowcase. Their pillowcase is also very good. I still have the one they gave to me. They gave me two, green and blue, the last time. So I still have the one they gave to me, and it's absolutely amazing because when I lie down on it, when I put my head on it, I just feel, oh, it's so soft and so silky. Oh wow, this one is very big. Seriously, it's way bigger than my pillow, but it doesn't matter, you know, and it feels so good on my body, like, seriously. And they sell shirts too, they sell clothes. I can imagine it's a bit pricey, but god, like, quality over quantity, honestly, with this. So you guys have seen the stuff from LilySilk. I'm going to put their links and everything, the links of everything here in the description, but they have a lot of things on their site. They have great quality silk material, so if you're interested, definitely check them out. Without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Kat Von D eyebrow pencil. Then I'm gonna use this brown eyebrow tinter and just brush it. She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a bro. Then I'm gonna use my MAC NC45 concealer to clean my brows. I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me,
So I'm gonna start with this shade of color. I'm gonna apply it on my eyes, and then I'm gonna take this brown and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes.
You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me.
Then I'm gonna apply this brownish gold on my eyelids.
I really like the way that you carry your body, say girl. You can stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this.
Right, I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline.
You want murder me, You want murder me,
And then I'm gonna apply my eyeliner.
You want murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eye mascara. And I'll go ahead and do my false lashes. So right here, before applying my foundation, I'm just gonna use my MAC concealer, a darker shade, to cover my dark spots, and then I'm gonna use my clearance foundation and then apply on my face.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty Concealer.
I want you to be my, so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah.
So right now I'm gonna go ahead and contour with a darker shade of concealer.
So make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me,
So now I'm just applying my Fenty Beauty powder, and then I'm gonna apply my sleek darker shade brown powder to contour.
You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me, You want murder me. You want murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with a brown pencil.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me,
And then I'll apply this lipstick and a little bit of a bronzer.
You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my clear lip gloss, and then I'll spray my Urban Decay spray.
Your eyes looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to.
And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.